So we just talked about Easter eggs and the Easter bunnies. Now it's time to have some fun making tasty Easter treats with the bunny and eggs as our inspiration. Camille, is Flynn?
Flynn.
Flynn?
Yes.
Okay, so it's spelled like that though.
Yes.
Flynn. Owner of Cake Couture J.A. and her daughter Jameson.
Hi, Jameson.
Young Cake Couture Jamaica apprentice.
Yes.
They're going to help us. Well, they're going to help Simone because I'm just going to eat after them finish.
No.
Good morning to you both. Hey, Jameson.
Morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, it's great to meet you both. Mommy, what's Cake Couture? What you do? Just cake alone and the argument?
Well, cakes, desserts. I'm actually going into event planning too, so it's really and truly it's the gamut, you know.
Yeah.
Trying to get to weddings, baby showers, you know, parties.
How long have you been doing all of this?
5 years now.
Okay.
Yes.
From she was like taught.
Yeah.
Oh, so now you are an apprentice in the business.
Yes.
You help mommy. You understand baking and you enjoy baking.
Yes.
You know how to do everything.
Yes.
So when mommy decides to retire, then you can take over.
Yeah.
Of course. Okay. So what do you have for us this morning? Jamie, you start us off. What do you have for us this morning?
First, we have the Easter bunny with the cupcake
Yeah.
and 2 black jelly beans for the eyes.
Okay.
And the pink jelly bean for the nose.
Okay.
And just the sparkles for the bunny ears.
So you're going to decorate it?
Yes.
So go ahead then.
Okay.
You're teaching myself and Neville how to do this morning.
And you're going to use
So we're
what?
following you.
No.
Okay, go
So
Jamie,
use
baby.
2 hands. Then you go down.
So you're using the grass nozzle, right?
Oh, there he is on the screen.
Right.
Mommy, talk us through while she goes.
Right, so she's using a grass nozzle now. You can get this in the pharmacies actually. They actually have quite a few, and she's using it now to simulate the fur, right, for the Easter bunny, right. We also have here marshmallow ears. She knows that mom has to regulate the cutting, so we cut it along the diagonal here, the large marshmallows.
Okay.
So end to end. And then we're going to dip it in some sugar sprinkles.
I like this segment a lot.
Then all of this can eat, by the way.
Every
course.
single thing.
The sprinkles and thing.
Of course.
Okay.
Every single thing. All right, so she's finishing up with those. Let me help her with this one. So let's just get this out of the way here.
What are you doing? Wait, you can't touch it.
Why?
Wait, because this one is not for the Easter bunny ears. So you can't mess it up. No, it's a different design.
How you know that?
Because it's 4 different setups for 4 different reasons.
No, I
Let's
know
stick
what
the
to do with
ears
this
now.
now. Because
Look
this
how
way
to
end
build
up.
an Easter bunny. Look.
All right, so now what we're doing now,
So
Jamie?
now I'll stick the ears on right there.
Stick it in.
And then I'll take the nose and just stick it here. And then I'll take the 2 jelly beans and stick it right.
Too
them
adorable. Oh my gosh. Turn him around. Oh my gosh.
And that's a cute little bunny.
You're right.
Yeah, but I want to do something.
Wait, but mommy,
right, let
mommy,
us
why you
show
put
them
it
how
over
to do
there? So we don't heat it? I don't understand. Thanks.
Mommy, I can't just
I'm gonna do it. I'm so gonna do it.
Next, shortly, we soon get
eat
to
the
that.
bunny,
We have to make the chicks first.
The chicks?
Yes, we're going to make a chick now. And how do you make the chick now, Jameson?
So you start off with the cupcake. Mommy already put frosting on it, so I could just use it and move it around already.
Simone just compete.
I have
Yes, you do.
Easter bunny on my lip. Thank you.
Well, no. What you want to do?
And now, wait. And now I'll just take it and have it on right
Or what you
here.
dipping it in?
I'm dipping it in coconut flakes.
Okay.
I'll make
Show
some.
Uncle Harold so you can see.
Yep, those
There you
are
go.
dyed
All right.
coconut flakes.
And then what you going to give it now?
And then I'm going to give it a beak made out of a gumdrop, an orange gumdrop. Then you're going to stick it right there. And take the 2 jelly bean eyes again and stick it right
Give
here.
me some more and do something.
That's so cool.
Your part will soon come.
Oh, my
wow,
part
mommy.
soon come.
Yeah, in
When
other
the show
words,
is soon done, so I
keep your
don't
shirt
know.
on, is what she's saying. Okay, got that one.
Okay.
Move
so
over
Then
now.
the
now.
chicks now.
Can you include Uncle Neville on this one? Because he really feels left out. Go
Okay.
ahead. Yeah.
So right here, you're gonna just
Ask him to squeeze it.
you're
then.
going
Let him
to
help you.
squeeze it right here. Hold two hands and squeeze right there and go up
What are you making?
right here. And I'm making Easter eggs on grass. And then
Easter
you're
eggs on
going to,
grass.
Yes.
going to go down here and
Can I
then come
Let
back
him
up.
let him squeeze now.
Can I eat the grass?
You want
Yes,
to squeeze?
go
Uncle
squeeze it,
Neville?
Uncle Neville.
So just hold it so and squeeze.
Yeah.
Hey, don't stop.
Because you have to push it on. Touch the cupcake first.
Mercy, Jesus. You can't plant grass, Bridget.
This one.
Honestly? Go on, some more grass.
My lawn just
More.
want
You have a
trim.
hole in your grass right there.
Right there.
You have one more hole is there.
Where? Here?
You don't know how to manicure lawn, Bridget.
That
Okay.
Jameson is Jameson teaching
That's
me.
good
Now.
enough.
I wish
Okay.
everybody would leave me.
That's good
Jameson
enough.
is teaching me. Is that good?
Outside of your lawn is very
All
parched.
So what do I do now?
Now you just take any color Easter egg.
I like pink and do what?
Mommy, what's
and
inside
put
of the
it
Easter
on the
eggs?
grass.
Some
I can
are
put
Jordan
many of them?
almonds and some are jelly beans.
Okay.
So it's a
Yes, you
mixture
can
of
put
both.
7.
Try to keep it
7?
now with things that we could get in Jamaica.
7
You know,
plenty
so all these
to do,
fabulous things on
James, no?
Pinterest, but we can't
Yeah.
access all those things.
Isn't
Oh, that's beautiful.
it though? And I want one right in the middle. I only put in 5. What else I must do now, Jameson?
You're done with that one?
That's it.
Oh, wait.
I want this.
Oh, right.
You see, I know these things.
Then you have the basket and then you're just gonna stick it in to the side. And then it looks like an actual basket.
I did that myself. Jameson, I have one question. This part can I eat?
Yes, yes it can.
She said no.
Nev, you should try it. It's only for adults though, Neville. Yeah. So what we're doing with the Rice Krispie treat now, Jameson?
Oh, the Rice Krispie treats.
Yeah.
We're gonna take it
Yeah.
and we're going to put it in.
Ooh, that looks like a hard job. Oh, it's not so hard.
No.
And then you can use the spoon and just put it in.
She's really learning, huh? She has learned. Wow.
She tells me I'm to pay at the end of the year when she helps me.
Pay her at the end of the year. Yeah, but otherwise it would be child labor, so you have to.
That's true. Let's
Okay,
not go to
see?
jail for
I'm
that,
just
right?
saying.
Can you take the picture of my thing, please?
Can you allow the little child to show us what she's doing for Snefford before you steal her spotlight? With your
All right,
basket?
Push it in.
Then you could use this and try to take it out like that.
Right.
And then we're going to use the green one.
A Rice
And then
Krispie
this-
treat with icing. This is
Right.
like sugar on steroids.
Ah, there you go.
She's some crap.
But we're using Rice Krispies treats just in case you can't get the cupcakes,
Right,
you know? So this is
okay.
a good substitute.
I see.
And it's gluten-free, which is even better too.
Okay, and very simple to do.
Yes.
Just stuff it in the pan, get the shape of the cupcake
There you
and
go.
ice it and you're good.
Yes.
Oh wow.
And then we do this.
Mm-hmm.
So
Very
have you
good
like you doing a lot
grass.
of this for Easter? You doing a lot of cupcakes and stuff?
It's actually wedding season, it would seem.
Oh.
Lots of wedding cakes.
Well, maybe when
actually.
people see this, then they can get. 'Cause I know a lot of schools and communities are having Easter egg hunts and
Right.
treats now, so maybe it will get more popular. in time.
Yes, right. And it's something to do at home over
Mm-hmm,
the holidays, you know?
I can easily see myself and my daughter bonding over
Yes,
something. like that.
definitely.
Very cool.
Where your eggs? No
Yes,
eggs.
eggs.
Right.
Let's take these again. Then we're going to just stick it. Right.
What the egg is what?
Jordan
Almonds and
almonds,
jelly beans.
jelly beans.
Yes, they are Jordan almonds and also
Gotcha, lady. You know our business, you know.
Love it.
you can eat them.
Thank you.
So there we go.
Love it. That's nice.
So show them.
Almond ones are nice.
That's
You like it?
Right here, we're gonna put a special one right here.
Beautiful. Well done, Jameson. You're good too, mommy.
I try.
I'm a still not try to fight out my thing.
So here.
Mommy, let's help with these.
Put it
Can't
in.
let me put it on. Happy?
Yes,
I see nice, man.
Yeah, I'm not trying to fight out my thing.
All right, so where do we find you?
So we made some for you, but we just wanted to show you how to make it fun and make Easter themed cupcakes. But we got you some.
Jameson, wait.
Thank you,
Who you made it for, Jameson?
You can share.
You can share. She said you could share.
Thank you very, very much and have a great Easter weekend, okay?
Thank you.
Thanks
Same
for
to
coming.
you.
And
All
thank
right,
you too.
owner of Cake Couture Jamaica and her daughter Jameson Flynn, Young Cake Couture Jamaica. apprentice.
What you say? You want one? Do you have to be nice? All you have to do is be nice. You
I
want one?
want all of them.